Do you have the hiccups? Uh-oh. You got the hiccups, huh? What happened right there? Look at you sitting up. Isley. Hey. Oh. You don't like those hiccups, huh?